Oh, Amber.
Yes, Sarah.
How's your day going, my lady?
Going pretty darn good right now.
Great.
I think I'm gonna be country for this.
No way. I'm country girl.
Oh, do you have any horses? I have 17.
Oh, no, you don't.
Oh, yes, I do.
I want to ride one of your horses.
Okay, you can have Buckles. He's
Buckles?
He's a speckled buckle. What? Are you making fun of Buckles?
No, of course I'm not making fun of dear old Buckles.
Yeah, you better
I'm
not
the
be.
one who's going to be riding him. I'm going to have him.
You are not having Buckles. That is my favorite horse ever.
I'm so keeping that Buckles.
Well,
I'll buckle
okay.
him onto my shorts all day. I'll ride him and I'll buckle him on.
Yes, that's what I do. That's why
That's what I did. That's what I did already.
Did you steal Buckle in order to do that? Oh, I can't believe you. You horse stealer.
I'm no horse. I'm no buckle stealer.
Oh, birdie. Hey, birdie.
They're Buckles a second.
That's Buckles second. Buckles Jr.
Yay!
Woo!
You done these before?
Some of them.
I'm kissing Buckles.
Buckles like that.
Oh.
Taking you out.
Do it.
Oh!
Ah! Gonna give me another bruise in my arm.
I'm sorry.
Ah!
I already bruised her in the arm. And now, look at, she said, oh!
Help me out.
Oh. Oh! Get up, Sarah. I saved her life.
Oh, I'm the best friend ever.
Oh, me, I am the best friend ever. Best friend. Friend doesn't have an R in it anymore. No, it
I
disappeared.
made that rule pass, and
She did. Now no one says best friend. They say best friend.
no one says best friend anymore.
That was so last week.
So, a couple months ago, you know, when the rule was passed.
Yeah,
Your sweaty hands.
I know. They're all hot. Hey, do you have?
I just washed my hands. They're all nasty.
Oh, let me smell them. Oh, it smells good. I like them. I'm gonna eat your hand.